Hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here, and if you are new, welcome, and if you love this info, please subscribe. I'm Cody Montarbo, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about alternatives to Retin-A. So here's the first thing I have to say just about Retin-A in general. And I know a lot of you are getting your Retin-A from all kinds of places, and that's fine. I can't tell you what to do. But there is a reason why Retin-A is a controlled substance. It's a medicine. It's prescribed by doctors, and because you just want the formulation to be right, and also you want to be under the care of a doctor or be supervised in case you're having any reactions, including causing too much irritation and inflammation in the skin, which is very common for Retin-A. And that's why I'm doing this video, because a lot of people, the feedback I get on my Retin-A videos is that I can't use Retin-A, or it's making me worse, or I'm going through the ugly phase, my skin is getting red, it's getting inflamed, it's getting irritated. And when you're under the care of a provider or a professional, they ask you to kind of push through that if you can, or use less of that product. But the goal of Retin-A is to regenerate new skin cells deep into the deepest layers of the skin. And so a lot of people don't push through with Retin-A because it's very irritating to the skin. Good news is that there is another ingredient that has been around for years that has been used similar to Retin-A, giving you similar results in the research, that doesn't have much of the irritation and has less side effects, and that is glycolic acid or alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acid is amazing, and it's been reused for decades with minimal side effects and minimal contraindications. Of course, it makes you sensitive to the sun, so you need to make sure you wear sunscreen. But it's definitely amazing if you're somebody that is not able to use retinoic acid or even retinol or vitamin A, you're sensitive to it. Alpha hydroxy acid does a similar thing without all the consequences, and most people can push through and they get a beautiful looking complexion over time. The other agent is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is an amazing agent that's been around for a long time. It's very helpful with acne, but it's also prescribed for melasma in certain percentages. So if you use azelaic acid consistently, it acts actually similar to alpha hydroxy acid. You do not always need to use Retin-A. Retinol is just fine also. So if you are sensitive to Retin-A, you can get a retinol, and that's what retinol is designed for. Retinol is designed to be able to be more user-friendly. That's why companies are always trying to develop and continue to develop the research so that they can figure out a way to have the consumer get the best result without many side effects or contraindications. If you have any questions about today's video with other Retin-A alternatives so that you can help achieve your skincare goals without much of the irritation, feel free to ask them below this video. Remember to always stay gorgeous, and I'll see you really soon in a new video.